5 minus 5 equals 0. And again, here we have 5 minus 5. So 0 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct, because it does not follow the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that we must solve mathematical expressions in a specific sequence. First, we handle parentheses, then exponents. After that, multiplication and division. And finally, addition and subtraction. It is very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same priority, and we solve them from left to right. The same left to right rule applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's carefully analyze this expression. In this problem, we have 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication comes before subtraction, so we must perform the multiplication first. That means we start with 5 multiplied by 5, which equals 25. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 25 minus 5. At this point, we only have subtraction left. When there is more than one subtraction, we solve from left to right. First, 5 minus 25 equals negative 20. Then negative 20 minus 5 equals negative 25. This is the correct final answer. The correct answer is negative 25. If this explanation helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more quick and clear math breakdowns.